Hello everyone, welcome back to Knitting Catalog. I'm happy to be in your presence today. Today is another beautiful day for a beautiful tutorial. We are going to knit for babies. So this particular one is a baby bonnet, a kind of beret in a simple way. So I'm going to show you how to knit it in a simple way and so easy to knit. So right now I'm going to use cat 7. This is cat 7 and I'm going to use it for tux pattern. Then I'm going to engage my extension rail. If you are using broader knitting machine, you will have one pair of this in your knitting machine. So I'm going to engage this at my right side. I'm not going to use two, I'm going to engage this one at my right side because I'm right side handed. So the force I'm using to knit when I'm coming to the right side is much, so that's why I'm putting this on my right side. So guys, before we continue, I want to say if you are just coming by my channel for the first time, you are welcome. This is Knitting Catalog, where we have fun in knitting. So you need to subscribe, hit the bell so that you can be getting notification anytime I post a new video. So to my 60 subscriber, I love you guys. Thank you for staying by me. Thank you for believing in me. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you guys. So right now let's go to the main video. So I'm going to install this right now at the right side. So let's see how to do that. There's a particular hole around here that I'm going to slot in this, and so you can see here. So I'm going to go here and here, then make sure it goes in properly and make sure it's steady and it's being fixed properly. So I'm going to drive my carriage on it. So that's it. So right now I'm going to go and install my punch card right now. So I'm going to roll it down to the starting line and hold my card. So that's it. So guys, let's go and cast on. So this is going to be from 3 months maybe to 5 months. It's going to be sizable for that age, 3 months to 5 months. And I'm going to use this as usual, medium size yarn and a strip ply wool. So I'm going to cast on 75 by 75 needles right now. Casting on 75 by 75 needles right now. Hanging comb on it right now. That's it guys. So I'm going to bring the needle at the A position back to work and knit 3 rows right now. I'm using tension 6 to do this. Tension 6, then row 2, 3. This is row 3 guys. So I'm going to inform my carriage I want to go into punch card knitting. So I'm going to turn and knit the 4th rows right now. Then I'm going to hang weight on my work. Tux pattern always have yarn piling up on a particular needle. So I'm going to hang weight on the work. So guys, I'm going to open my punch card to small size knitting. So that's it. And press this last 2 buttons together for tux pattern and knit another 6 rows in tux pattern with my punch card number 7. So 6 rows right now guys. So remember guys that we are still using tension 6. So that's it guys. Then right now I'm going to go ahead and change this punch card knitting setting to large. So that's it, large. Then I'm going to go ahead and change my tension back to 10. So right now I'm going to go to my row counter and register 10 rows on my row counter. You know, we knitted 4 rows in plain, then 6 rows in tension 6 in tux pattern. That is 10 rows. So I'm going to register 10 rows right now. So this is 10 rows right now. Then check this to be down. Then I've already changed to 10, then large. So I'm going to continue to knit in this pattern with this setting right now for another 100 rows. So when I get to 110, I'm going to come back. So guys, you can see what we have here. This is it, guys. So at 110 rows right now. So that's what we have right now. So you can see what we have. So beautiful, so beautiful. So your needle have to be okay, and you know everything concerning punch card knitting, your knitting machine have to be okay. I can see some default here that this place is having problem, so you have to wash it, and this is taking more energy to knit. So I'm going to off all the punch card knitting right now. That's it. Hold my card and knit 2 rows right now with tension 10. So that's it, guys, and see what we have. So I'm going to knit with waist yarn right now. Remove this and knit with waist yarn. So that's it, guys. So I'm going to drop this work right now by knitting empty carriage on it, then turn the work. You know, this is the public side, so I'm going to turn it right here and fix it back on 50 by 50 needle. So I'm going to shift my needle back and you know have that 50 by 50 needle on the knitting machine bed. So that's it, 50 by 50 needle. So what I need to do is to you know fix my carriage up to here because my yarn is here. So I have to be fixing by fix one on the needle, then the second needle will take 2. So I will be repeating this like to the end of the needle. So one in one needle and the second needle will take 2 stitches. So 1 stitches in one, then the second one will take 2 stitches. So by doing that, the stitches will be fixed inside 50 by 50 needle. Then I'm going to lose out the waist yarn right now. So that's it, guys. Then I'm going to change my tension back to 7 and knit 1 row right now. So 1 row. So you can see what we have, guys. So I'm going to select my needle back to rib one by one for the bound of the bonnet. So right now I'm going to knit 30 rows with tension 7 for the bound. Then I'm going to fold it and bind off. So here is 30 rows right now. So I'm going to fold. So you can see what we have. I'm going to, you know, bind off without not knitting any rows. So I don't want the allowances of, binding off. So then make sure you bind off loosely. Don't let it tight. Guys, you can see what we have right here. So this is the bound, and I'm going to sew down from here down, then gather the top of the bonnet. So that's it. So it's going to be like this. See how beautiful it is. So that's it, guys.